What is up, you guys? It looks like I'm a hydrated queen drinking water. This is actually an apple cider vinegar soda, which is actually way tastier than it sounds. I know it does not sound good. You guys know that I've been slacking on decorating the house since I have moved in. Look at this place. Look at this. It is a little bland, a little boring. So I'm finally starting to order a few things and try to make it feel a little bit more homey. It's just so empty still, and we still need, like, where I'm standing right now is our dining room. I don't have any furniture. So I ordered a few things for our bedroom in particular, because right now it is like mixed matched pillowcases and sheets and comforters, and it is not cute in there. I bought like a set, so like the bedside tables match the bed and the dresser, and so sometimes I feel like when you have like a full matching set, the room can look really one-dimensional and a little boring and lackluster. Now if I would redo it, I would get like some, you know, different sort of bedside tables, add in like different wood tones, but I do actually like our bedroom furniture, so I'm going to dress it up a little bit. It's like a really dark espresso toned wood, so my vision was to bring in a little bit more light wood accent pieces. I ordered some really cute decor that should be coming this week, and we're gonna fix it up. We're gonna make it feel comfortable and soothing and beautiful inside the bedroom, because right now it just feels a little stuffy and dark and not amazing. So I'm excited. Also, I am collaborating with Descenio on today's YouTube video, so thank you, Descenio, for sponsoring today's video. I just got the package in the mail and we're gonna unbox it together. If you guys are unfamiliar with Descenio, they are a high quality poster and print website with picture frames, and they have a lot of really cool artwork on their website. It's actually really hard to pick out what you want, because no matter what your vibe is or what look you're going for interior wise, like, they will have something for you. And one of my favorite parts about the website is if you're looking to put together a gallery wall, for me it's really hard to figure out like what goes with what, how it'll look on my wall, and they have pre-made gallery walls, like ready to go. The prints are to size, the matching frames are to size, like they do all of the work for you. You just have to measure it out, make sure it fits on your wall, and you're good to go. So it's a really cool website. I am going to have a coupon code for you guys today, so make sure to check out all the links in my description box. But we're gonna unbox this. I'm really stoked. Look at this bad boy. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Since I'm partnering with Descenio, they sent me over 4 frames and 4 prints. This is one of the frames we got. We got 2 black frames. I think I'm gonna hang these prints in the living room area. I haven't quite decided where I want to put these art pieces in particular, but I'll show you the frames that I got for my room. Really quality frames, you guys. Really, really nice. So these are the frames. It's the same size, the 50 by 70 centimeters for above our bed. It has like the really light wood. I really wanted to have a little bit of contrast with the dark furniture and just kind of lighten everything up, bring some brightness to our bedroom. So I'm really stoked. These frames are beautiful and super nice quality. The wood is really pretty. And here are the prints. The packaging is really cute. There's art inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the first print is one of the things that we will have in our bedroom. Again, it's just really calm and serene. I wanted everything to be kind of peaceful because it is a bedroom. You want it to be relaxed. So I am so stoked. That is so stunning. And then I have 2 matching pieces for the black frames. It's a little bit hard to see. Actually, this is upside down. But some funky abstract art. I love art like this. I think it's so beautiful, and it really matches like the interior and like fixtures of our house with the black accents and everything. So I'm really excited about these. And then the last one for above our bedroom is this guy. So pretty. I'm so excited, you guys. Here's how those prints will look side by side. I just really love the tones of these. So beautiful, very calming. Here's a better look at these two side by side as well. Alright, here they are framed, looking stunning. We're gonna hang those prints a little bit later. Hugo's working right now. I don't know if we're gonna hang them today or not, but I did get our sheets in the mail today. Came with a cute tote. They are from Hailie Home. Really cute tote bags. Make the most comfortable home yours. Girl, I'm trying. Finally got matching sheets. It's like a oatmeal sort of color, just really neutral vibes. These are the percale, I don't know if I'm saying that right, the flat sheet, and then the fitted sheet, and then the pillowcases. So, got a little set. I'm gonna wash these and then put them on later tonight. Hello you guys. Okay, day 2 of bedroom makeover. I got some stuff in the mail today. This is from Target. I got this little body pillow from their Casa Luna line, which I love so much. That's our whole guest bedroom upstairs. This is Casa Luna. It's just really good. So I got like this mossy green tone. I think it's gonna look really nice with the prints. Add like a subtle pop of color. This is the one that I'm nervous about. I wanted a like arched sort of mirror for our dresser. So I found this one on Target. It was not the first choice, to be honest, but I think that it'll look good with the prints, with like the duvet cover and everything that I got. I think it'll look nice. It's like a French country sort of vibe. I can open this. A little smaller than I thought it was, but I didn't measure it, so it's my bad. Here's the mirror.
There's you guys. There's Aspen.
I think it's cute. I got this huge candle from Studio McGee. It's like English pear and orchard. It smells good. I did get some lamps, but our bedside tables are backed up to windows. So I don't know if lamps will look silly if there's a window there. I don't know. I thought about getting like those sconces for above the bed, but I don't know if that will look weird either. I don't know. So I just got to play with it a little bit, but the smells so good. It's so big. I don't think I've ever showed you guys the before of my bedroom because I'm embarrassed, to be honest. Like, first of all, that is a pile of my clothes. This is what it currently looks like, but we're gonna fix her up, okay? We have 75 pillows. None of them match. The sheets and the duvet cover don't match. We're gonna get this pile of clothes out of the way. This TV will eventually be leaving, and we're gonna mount the TV that we have out there in the living room on this wall. Neither of us like trust ourselves enough to hang it on our own, so I need to call a family member or something to help us, and we're just lazy. But anyways, there's like nothing really on our bedside tables except trash and dust. So today's goal is just to kind of get it cleaned up and put that mountain of clothes away. Okay, we completed phase 1. I think we definitely need to finally get some king size pillows and probably more throw pillows, like some big chunky square ones, maybe like a cream tone, just to add a little bit more brightness and a little more oomph, you know? We're missing something. I also really like the mirror. I think it's cute. I think it's a nice little tone for this room. I've been hunting for vases and like these were our old vases in here with like some fake, what is this, eucalyptus or whatever. I don't like this tone anymore. I really want more like creams and maybe like moss tones even. But I'm not finding anything I like, so that might be like a long-term decor swap. I do have like a big tree coming for the corner of this room, so hopefully that will help make it look a little less empty in here right now, because I just don't have any decor pieces for the top of the dresser and even the side tables yet. Like, we'll have the lamps coming in the next few days, but I don't really know what else I want. Like, I've been looking online, I haven't really found much I love yet, so those might just be pieces that I get over time. Good morning, you guys. We got protein shake ready to go. Today we're finally hanging up our frames and I'm super excited. I did decide on a location for the black frames and those prints. I am going to put them in like the hallway entryway area, just because I think they will look so pretty like when you're walking into the house. Like, so pretty. I do have to show you something that did come in the mail today that was originally for our room, but I just did not like it in that space, and you guys will have to let me know what you guys think about where it's at right now. But let me show you. So I bought the iconic olive tree from Target that everyone is always raving about. It is actually really stunning for a faux plant. There's Boba. We have this odd little space. Oh my god, he looks so cute. In like next to our stairs, and I don't really know what to put here. Like in our model home they had like a coat rack, but that is just not our vibe. So this I thought looked kind of cute. The original plan was like this little corner of our bedroom, but I didn't like it. It felt like too elegant of a plant. I think maybe like a smaller like fiddle leaf or something in this corner would be really nice, but we'll see. And they're up! So cute on this wall. I literally love how it turned out. Those are up, they look amazing. We are going to do the bedroom now, which I'm so excited for. Okay, honestly, I love these so much. I think that it really does like brighten up the room a little bit. And I decided to keep them close and do 2 frames instead of 3, because originally, like, it has room for 3. I think that I might want to do wall sconces next to the frames at some point. So I like that there's space to do that in the future, but I think that they look really pretty. Our next order of business is hanging curtains. I ordered these off Amazon. They're like a nice sheer linen sort of vibe, so hopefully they look cute. I did order another set from Amazon a few days ago. It came in and it was like bright white, which just does not match the vibes that we have going on in here. We're hoping that this will kind of help elevate the space and make it not look so empty for now. We got a little helper in the room today. Are you happy to be here? Like, there we go. He's happy, he's excited. Beanie is also happy and excited. All right, besties, we have a dilemma. It's a little bit too short. So I just ordered a 3rd set of curtains that will go a little bit longer. I didn't really want them to the floor since we have the dresser here, but it'll just be like 10 or 12 inches lower. Hey guys, that is a wrap on the bedroom updates for this vlog. I have to return both of these curtains, but you can see what I meant. This one is like really too bright for the tones in our bedroom. This vlog is a little chaotic. I will have to give you guys updates once the correct curtains come in and as we continue to update the bedroom, because obviously it's still empty, but let me tell you, it looks so much better with like the curtains. Once you know they're the right size, it'll look even better. And the picture frames, it's starting to feel a little bit more homey, and I love it. I love the ones in our hallway area, like our entryway especially. Like they make me so happy when I come down the stairs and see them. Like I said, I'm gonna link all of the stuff from today's videos and the prints, so be sure to check out all of the links in the description box, and check out Descenio if you guys are looking to put some art in your space, because they have so many cute options. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and I will see you soon. Bye.